The process of changing your registered agent. Here's a simple guide to help you change your registered agent. A registered agent is responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your business. If they're not meeting your needs, or you're relocating, it's important to make a switch. Common reasons to change include poor service, relocation, or cost concerns. Here's how you can make the change. First, review your state's requirements. Every state has different rules, forms, and fees for the process. Next, choose a reliable new agent who has a physical address in your state. Notify your current agent about the change, and then file a Change of Registered Agent form with your state's Secretary of State. Double-check the information before submitting to avoid any delays. Pay the required filing fee, which typically ranges from $10 to $50, and consider expedited processing if you need the change quickly. Once it's processed, make sure to update all your internal records, like operating agreements and bylaws, to reflect the new agent. Be sure to avoid common mistakes like missing deadlines or providing incorrect information, which could lead to fines or legal issues. Changing your registered agent is a straightforward process but essential to keep your business compliant and running smoothly.